Good evening all, this is Tom here, and today I was working on my roundhouse, and the walls are missing, like I said in my last video, and then I built the walls that came with it, but because I cut off those two sections there, you can see that one's longer, the walls won't fit. So today I ordered the real one, or the stall, 3-stall one that comes with all the walls. And then I had a brainstorm, because I said, how am I going to make that without the, those tracks so deep in there, and the pits got cut off too. And I said, so then I said, oh, I got an idea. I ordered that other kit, and then I'll just use this section here and make it 4 stalls. And what I did then was I added some more bench work onto this upper level going into that corner, and the roundhouse will sit there, and then it'll get to the turntable. I just have to, I just painted it so you can see the spots are still a little wet there, but that's what I decided to do, and that makes it a lot easier than trying to bash this up. Yeah, I have a 3D printer. I could have printed the walls, but that would have just been too much extra work. So I had all this extra lumber and foam, and I says, let me just throw that together. So that only took me a couple hours to get that settled up. So now I can have more service tracks, and I'll put a engine house up there too, or something in between the tracks there, and we'll see how the roundhouse fits there when I get it. May have to rotate the table around for the no track zones, because there's one over on that other side there, and then that siding is going to have to get either moved out or shortened, and we'll see what happens once I get the roundhouse. So that's what that is. So that's basically it. And I got my controller here. That's the original one, so there was nothing wrong with that controller, and so I mounted that one there, and then let me get down the ladder a bit, and then I mounted the new one that came in. That's mounted on the other side of that board there, so if I go back behind there, I can control the turntable over there and here. So I'm going to have more service tracks, so I'm going to have to make more holes for the toggle switches for those tracks, because those toggle switches power either the tracks on or off, and so I'm going to have to make more and get more buttons to put in, but that's not in a hurry to do that, not until I get my roundhouse in. I placed the order for that today from MB Klein down in Maryland, so they usually get things out pretty quick. And as a matter of fact, I got some track coming from them. They just shipped it out today, and I ordered that the other day. So because of the holiday yesterday, nobody did anything, so we're just waiting on that. So this is going to make that a lot nicer, and you'll be able to see the front of the roundhouse and everything, so it'll be pretty good. So I'll let you know what that is once I get that in, and then I'll have all these service tracks set up, and we'll go from there. So that's it for now. but just was playing around with this today, and also I got a table now for my 3D printer, and it's in my office. So that's my 3D print station. On the left is the curer, and on the right is the wash station. So, and then down below just some supplies. And I also figured out that with the rosin, the alcohol really does a job on the stuff that comes out. So if I got something that's real sensitive, I'll cure it and then wash it in the wash, and then wipe it off with alcohol. And so I got a whole case of alcohol down on the floor here, and it'd be good. So tonight I'm going to print some track bumpers that I designed. I'm going to see how that comes out. If one comes out good, then I'll make some extra ones, because all those sidings up there on the third level, plus all the service tracks that aren't going to be in the roundhouse, are going to need bumpers. So I'm going to need to make a few. So anybody needs any, let me know. First I'll see how they come out first, but that's it for now. So that's it for now. It's a short one, and we'll see you all in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody have a great day.